Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you can complete 2 FA challenges. This prevents lockout. Once logged into Discord on your PC, go straight to User Settings, then My Account. Make sure your Authenticator app and any printed backup codes are available. If you don't have them, pause and generate backup codes first. Now locate the two-factor authentication section. This is where you begin. I'll walk you through disabling securely, step by step, so you retain account control and avoid losing access. Once in the two-factor authentication area, choose Remove or Disable. When prompted, enter the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app or use one of the backup codes you saved earlier. This verification proves it's you. It's required to prevent unauthorized changes. After the code is accepted, Discord will ask for confirmation. Read that prompt and confirm if you intend to proceed. Make sure to keep a secure note of this change, because disabling reduces account protection significantly. Finally, confirm two-factor authentication shows as disabled in My Account. Then test logging out and back in on another device to verify normal access. If you get locked out, immediately use a saved backup code or follow Discord's account recovery prompts. Contacting support is last resort. Once everything works, consider re-enabling 2FA later with a new Authenticator app or secure backup method to restore protection. One troubleshooting tip: if codes don't work, check device clock sync in your Authenticator app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.